All right, guys, so we are doing a room tour on deck 10, cabin 10128. This is one of 4 balcony cabins on the Celebrity Xcel. I think this is called the Prime Veranda, and it's got an actual balcony. Again, there's only 4 of these on the Celebrity Xcel. So let's just take a look at the bathroom. I believe all the bathrooms on Celebrity Xcel looks exactly the same. You get the rounded out shower. Look how the door opens up. You have your shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. This thing adjusts for your height. You get a toilet, of course, and you get body lotion, some amenities in here. Make sure to wash these cups before you use them. Yeah, because I don't think they properly wash them. But anyway, nonetheless, this is a beautiful bathroom. Okay, you do have some storage underneath. You have some here as well. Looks like there's one outlet, but you're probably just supposed to use it for your razors. And again, just a really, really nice bathroom. Okay, let's just keep it moving. Let's take a look at some storage. We have some storage over here. Your pool towels are there, ready to go. You can actually take these ashore with you. So if you get off the ship, you get an umbrella as well. I think I see these on all of these type of ships. Okay, trying to open this here. And there's your Wi-Fi. Okay, keep it moving. And then here is the storage. You do get 2 robes, 2 nice robes. Okay. You get some hangers. If you need more, you can just ask them for it. Here's a safe and some more drawers. They're pretty deep, guys. There you go. Right. And let's keep it going. You do get a couch in here as well. There's 2 bottled waters. We're probably not going to touch them because we have the premium package where we don't have to pay for water. So I'm not paying for any of these. So I'm probably just going to tell our room store to just take them away so we don't end up having to pay for them. And here's some more storage for you. I think the bottom ones are pretty deep. Yep, pretty deep. Probably gonna take one for me, one for my husband. And this should be they call these a chiller. And once again, just tell your room store to take away all of these things because, guys, it's not included in your package even if you have the premium package. So just make sure that they take them get rid of them. You don't want to be paying those prices, but if you do, here are the prices. All right, you also have the outlet box here, so you do have like a European, and then you have 2 American. You have and some USB outlets here. And I know that the previous ships you were able to like pull this out. On the Xcel, you're not able to. It is just, you know, you just sit down and there's your mirror here. And of course, anything that's important is settled on here for you as well. So let's take a look. And then here's the room, guys. So of course you get the king bed. This of course can be separated into 2. We have the mirror right across, not the mirror, the TV is right across, which I'm excited about that one. And like I said before, this is just one of 4 rooms on Celebrity Xcel that you can get an actual balcony. So we're going to check that out in a minute, but let's take a look and see what the outlets look like next to the bed. So you can see here that you do have a couple outlets. You've got some USB-C. There's one that's even a fast charger there for you to use. And then let's take a look at the other side. All right, so on the other side, I do believe that we are missing outlets on one side of the bed. So yeah, so we are missing outlets on one side of the bed. My husband does use a CPAP machine, so they will need to figure that out because I sleep always on that side of the bed and I'm not giving up that side of the bed. All right, guys, so now let's just check out the balcony. All right, so here's the balcony. Don't forget, this comes out like this. Make sure you put it back to green. You like my orange nails? It's for Celebrity Xcel. But anyway, so we're gonna open this up. I do have to say that the balcony is a little bit smaller than even when we were on Celebrity Beyond. But we were in the retreat there, so I know that you expect something bigger. But because once again, this is one of 4 true balcony cabins on the Celebrity Xcel. They didn't make the balconies that big. So here is all you get. There's really not much room to walk around, but I don't walk around anyway, so this is just for me to sit out here and then just enjoy the ocean, the breeze, you know, being able to be out here while my husband is sleeping instead of having to put some edge window down, and now he doesn't have any AC, you know, the discomfort. This was much better for us. You do have to book this quite quickly because they are like the first ones to go. So yes, we've had this booked for about 1.5 years and just super excited to be on Celebrity Xcel. If you got any questions, let your girl know. Bye.